Good morning, students. So we are going to solve this first problem of retirement chapter, the 12 marks, that is Digvijay, Brijesh and Parakaram. Yes, so Brijesh retired. So there were three partners, Digvijay, Brijesh and Parakaram. Brijesh retires, and these are the adjustments. So first you need to write the revaluation account. So write the heading revaluation account, particulars debit amount rupees, particulars your credit amount rupees. To write the revaluation account, here we are not seeing, we are seeing only the adjustment. Your goodwill of the firm, this don't want, this will come in the partner's capital account. Next, bad debts amounting rupees 2000 were to be written off. See, bad debts andre enu, it is an expense. Debtors ಯಾರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, they become bad. Bad debts andre enu, for example, okay, your friend has to give you money, okay, so he is a debtor for you, but he is telling he will not give, so that debtors become bad. It is an expense. The friend is not giving money, so bad debts, bad it is, he is not giving money. So bad debts amounting rupees 2000 were to be written off. Written off andre means to give, okay. Bad debts money has to be paid, that is 2000, so it is an expense. Expenses andre yavattu debit side, to debtors, right? Bad debts bracket alli amount is how much? Yes, 2000. See, I'm writing here 2000 amount, directly amount annu copy ಮಾಡಿ. Next, patents are considered as valueless. See students, patents andre idu 9000 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, patents 9000. Patents is an intangible asset, it's an asset. ಆದರೆ patents are valueless, patent ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Is it good thing for you? No, it is a bad thing, it is a loss. See, patents are assets, okay, they are considered as valueless, value illa andre it is a loss. Whenever there is a loss, where you are writing? Yes, in the debit side. So two patents, value is 9000, okay. Yes, is there anything else? Nothing, only two adjustment, okay. Now balance it. Balance ಮಾಡುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ? Okay, only two items, right? So make the total here, that is 9 plus 2 is 11,000. I'm writing here, then I'm writing here 11,000. Now balance it. Balancing it, that is 11,000 only itself. You have to give it to the three partners. Retirement alli you will give it to the three partners. What is the ratio? 2:1. That means share ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ದಿಗ್ವಿಜಯ್ದು 2/5. 5 ಹೇಗೆ add ಮಾಡಿ, 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. Brijesh is 2/5. Parakaram is 1. Parakamadu share is 1, so 1/5. So 11,000 into 2/5 ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? Use your calculator. Yes, 4,400. Next again 11,000 into 2 divided by 5 ಮಾಡಿ, you will get, yes, 4,400. Then 11,000 into 1/5 ಮಾಡಿ, you will get 2,200. Yes, okay, your evaluation account is done. Now we will write the partners capital account. Okay, partners capital account, write the heading partners capital account. Right, particulars Digvijay rupees, Brijesh rupees, Parakaram rupees. Yes, particulars Digvijay rupees, Brijesh rupees, Parakaram rupees, credit. Same format. First step is always same, by balance brought down. Amount ಯಾವುದು ಇದು? Yes, always same. So I'm writing here, see, 82,000, 60,000, then 75,500. Good. Next, what is there? Check in the balance sheet. Reserves ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, reserves 18,500. Please give it in the ratio. ಈ ratio ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Reserves 18,500. Please give it in the ratio 2:1. So right, by reserves, that is 18,500. Ratio is 2:1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. That is, use the calculator. How will you do? Yes, easy. See, like this. Calculator will do 18,500 into 2 into 5 ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, 2 into 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what is the amount you will get? Yes, 7,400. Then again 2:5 ಮಾಡಿ. For Brijeshige 18,500 into 2 divided by 5 ಮಾಡಿ, you will get 7,400. Now for Parakaram 18,500 into 1. ಈ 1 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, 1 divided by 5 ಮಾಡಿ. You will get, yes, 3,700. Yes, is that clear? Okay. Now, next step is what? Revaluation account. Revaluation account, which side you had got just now? See, loss. It is loss, this side. Credit side. So, you will write in the debit side. So, right? To revaluation account, what is the amount? Please copy it and write. Yes, 4,400. Just now calculated. Then here it is 2,200. Isn't it? Yes. Now, students, the most important part. That is, goodwill of the firm was valued at 70,000 and was not to remain in the books. So goodwill is valued at 70,000. Whenever they give the question valued at 70,000, here in retirement we will follow the accounting standard as per 10. That new method only we will follow. Old method don't want. So this is a journal entry you should know. There is no need to write this entry in 12 marks. Idu nimma understanding ige. This one journal entry, please by hearted. Continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital account. I will tell once again. Continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital account. See how I'm passing, okay? Iga. That means continuing partners hesaru should come in the credit side. Yes, retiring partners name will come in the debit side. Ashte. I will repeat it once again. Continuing partners hesaru will come in the credit side. Retiring person's name will come in the debit side. So I'm writing, see, who is remaining now? See, in the question al nodi, who is retiring? Brijesh retired. 3 persons were there: Digvijay, Brijesh and Parakram. Brijesh retires. He is gone. Remaining yaru? Continuing yaru? Digvijay and Parakram. Isn't it? I will tell once again. Brijesh retires. So Brijesh gone. Continuing is Digvijay mattu Parakram. So journal entry inu continuing partners capital account debtor. So continuing yaru? That is by Digvijay's capital account. And down I'm writing by Parakaram's capital account. Yes. Continuing partners capital. Who are the continuing partners? Brijesh is gone. Digvijay mattu Parakaram. So I'm writing here, see, by Digvijay's capital, by Parakaram's capital. 2 retiring partners. Retiring person is, who is retiring? Retire agudu Brijesh. So 2 Brijesh capital. Iga amount hege bariyudu is again simple. Okay. What is the goodwill amount? Yes. Goodwill amount just calculate maadi. Yes, it is 70,000. Isn't it? Okay. Goodwill amounts here they have told. Goodwill of the firm is valued 70,000. Isn't it? Okay, wait, goodwill account, otherwise I will show it in the next video. It will be too long otherwise.